welcome back to a new video session. So this is going to be second part from chapter 2 and we are doing revision, and we have completed some portion from this chapter in one video session. This is going to be second video session, and today's session I am starting from grid system. So we all read about grid system, right? So what is grid system? Grid system is a network of horizontal line and the vertical line, whereas horizontal lines are the latitudes and vertical lines are the longitude. This we know. Now if we talk about the latitudes, that is horizontal line, this runs from east to west direction, okay, and they are all latitudes are parallel to each other, we know that. And then the thing is, the largest in the longest latitude is equator, that the value is 0 degree, and each of the latitudes has north or south this name. And why it is? Because equator is dividing earth into two hemisphere, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. If we get in a latitude that suppose it's 20 degree south, that means it is 20 degree S, that means 20 degree south. If we same thing, if we get in 20 degree N, then that means it is 20 degree north. I hope this is clear. Numerical value and different hemisphere is the thing is clear. Now you will get another important line of latitude. So there are some important lines of latitudes are given. Suppose Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, then North Pole, South Pole, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. These are the important latitudes are given in your book, and these has their particular numerical value. So you have to remember numerical value and the name of these latitudes, okay. So we are done with the latitudes and the grid system. Now we will know what is longitude. Longitudes are horizontal line and they runs from north to south, and so basically they connected from one pole, north pole to south pole, okay. And the opposite longitudes form a complete circle. The 0 degree longitude also named as prime meridian. So we have seen that 0 degree latitude has name, that is equator, and 0 degree longitude is prime meridian, and the opposite of prime meridian, that is international date line, okay. And yes, if we and one more important thing from the longitudes is that longitudes are dividing the world into two hemisphere, eastern hemisphere and also western hemisphere, okay. Now what we will read, that the prime meridian and the international date line are two most important lines of longitudes, okay. So prime meridian also called Greenwich Mean Time. Now what is Greenwich Mean Time? Now why it is called as Greenwich Mean Time? Because it passes through a place that is named Greenwich, okay. That is why, and that is near London, and it helps to calculate the time worldwide, okay. Even our time, that is Indian Standard Time, in short we call it IST, that is also depending on the Greenwich, okay. Yes. Now international date line. So international date line is 180 degree meridian. We have read. Just have a quick revision on this topic, that this is neither right E, neither right E, neither right W, because both east and west line of longitudes are one. So it is not right E and W, because it is not in a particular hemisphere, it is in the middle of two hemispheres, okay. And helps to determine day and date. So these line helps us to determine day and night. All these line, the day and date change because there is a time difference between of 24 hour or 1 day between its two side, and the date change movement one cross the line. So while we are crossing 180 degree, there is a changing of day and time as well. This is the change of 24 hour, okay. Yes, so that was about the longitudes. Next topic, there we will see difference between latitudes and longitudes. So 5 differences are given, at least 4 differences we have to prepare. If the question is asked in 2 marks, then we have to write at least 4 differences, otherwise we will not get full marks. So what are the differences are given? Suppose I am talking about the latitudes. So latitudes are horizontal line, and these goes from the east to west, and whereas longitudes are vertical line, they go from north to south. We all know that. Then the 0 degree latitude named as equator, the 0 degree longitude named as prime meridian. Then the great circle, then the latitudes are dividing the world into 2 hemisphere, northern and southern hemisphere, whereas longitudes are dividing the world into 2 hemisphere, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Numerical value of latitudes followed by 2 letter N and S, that is north and south, and numerical value of longitudes followed by 2 letter, these are the S and E and W, eastern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So these were the 4 differences between latitudes and longitudes just I discussed. So this is how you have to prepare the differences. At least 4 difference you have to prepare for the final. I hope I am clear. Next you will get the earth. So we all know that earth has been divided into 3 heat zones according to the heat of that places. It has been divided latitude wise. Okay, suppose these zones are torrid zone, then temperate zone, then frigid zone. So if the question asked what is torrid zone, then you will write that it is from topic of Cancer to topic of Capricorn, and we all know the latitudes. And if any example, like all the time throughout the year we see there summer and there is absence of winter, okay, because sun has sun rays fall there directly, that is why. So this is how question may ask what is torrid zone. Then you have to answer the place, the extension of the zone. After that, the latitudinal extension you have to mention, any important features if given in your book, then you have to answer that thing. And if there is no diagram is asked in your question, but still you have to draw the diagram, you can use color pencil. And one more thing students, in your final exam you have to be prepared with your color pencils, because it may require for map pointing, or if you are drawing any diagram, so that there you may need drawing pencil. So I'm asking everyone to be prepared with your color pencil. Suppose you are showing torrid zone, then you have to draw these diagram, okay, and the torrid zone here is showing in your map in color. Yes, it's orange, so you can use any color which you like if you are using yellow, then you can show it in yellow. Then you have to mention the topic of Cancer and topic of Cancer in the north and topic of Capricorn, and in the front you have to write it is torrid zone. Okay, yes, so that is how you have to prepare the chapter. We have discussed all the point from this chapter. I hope everything is clear. One important thing which is left, that in page number 24 you will get important terms. 5 terms are given. I know you all have prepared these terms for your 15 marks exam, that is in unit 3. I know you have prepared, but still give a revision, like what is cardinal, direction, scale, legend, conventional signs and symbols, after that Greek system. So yes students, that is all from this chapter. I hope the chapter is clear to everyone. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me on online classes, and thank you all.